Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZALMAN Mini Tower M3 Plus RGB case. So friend, the micro ATX compliant PC case M3 Plus RGB with ZALMAN's front mesh design has been announced, and friend, it is a compact tower PC case with micro ATX and mini ATX form factors, and friend, it features 4 120mm diameter RGB fans at standard equipment and a distinctive design with a tempered glass panel on the left side. Furthermore, the RGB fans, rotation speed and LED brightness may be controlled via the front port. And it also has a high airflow design with a mesh panel on the front, 8 cooling fans and a water-cooled radiator that can be mounted on the front and top with maximum size of 240mm. And the drive bay has two 3.5-inch bays and four 2.5-inch bays, each with 4 expansion slots, and it can accommodate a graphics card up to 330mm in length, CPU cooler up to 165mm in height, and power supply unit with up to 180mm in depth, and the outward dimensions are 210mm wide, 407mm deep, and 457mm tall, and weighs around 6 kg and priced at $69. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.